Allow me to pass a message to all the principals here and the principals across the country. We have received reports that some principals are not registering students for their examinations candidates for 2026 because of balances of fees. Let me explain to you. Exams are paid for by the government, so no principal should fail to register a student to undertake the examinations in 2026 because they do not have school fees. If we find that that has happened, we'll take serious administrative and disciplinary action against you. And I want the parents to get involved and confirm that the students who are candidates have been registered to do the examinations in 2026, so that you do not come later to say that you were not aware that your students or your learners have not been registered. Please get involved so that all our learners can transition to the next grade to universities in 2027. Allow me, Your Excellency, to introduce the members of the executive who are here, starting with the Principal Secretary in the National Treasury, Bwana Chris Kipto, who is an old student of Kapsabet Boys, and he has a number there, number 43 something. He's looking very, very smart in the uniform of Kapsabet Boys. Next to him is our PS, Joel Aruminyang. It's a very serious name. It's PS Public. And my own PS in basic education, Professor Julius Bitok, with whom we are working very closely to ensure that basic education in this country reaches the height that it's supposed to reach. We have got, of course, our DIG here, Bwana Eliud Langat is with us also. And we have the chair of KIPI, the chair of KIPI, Alan there, and my own colleague in cabinet, who is the Minister for Interior, is taking care of all of us, Bwana Onesmas Mrukomen. Thank you so much for supporting us. So with those few remarks, ladies and gentlemen, can we be upstanding as we invite His Excellency to speak to us? Thank you, Your Excellency, and thank you for always being available to support us.
Asanteni sana. Tafadhali tuketi chini. Thank you very much. Asanteni, tuketi. Viongozi, wazazi na wanafunzi, hamjambo.